Now the vet for that class.
Sudan, can I share my screen? Because I want to show you something. Though. I don't know why
Please.
this first class that we did is still showing error. Even though I tried
Snap it.
many
Snap it and
times.
send. Snap it.
I sent it on the group since now.
Maybe I've told you that that thing is not a code.
Okay, it's not that one. Let me send this one to you.
Send it. Let's go, class. 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 We're going class. We're going class. We're going class.
Mr. Dan, what's
Don't,
popping?
don't call my name. I was calling you. Don't answer me.
Oh, I didn't know. Sorry. I went to the kitchen.
Don't call me. Don't call me.
Sorry. Brother John.
Want to insult me. After I say I'll be your
So
body.
now, which number should I send it to, please?
Anyone? Like I have my phone here. Anyone? I have my phone.
Okay.
I need to fix my iPad too. Accessing that WhatsApp. So I'm waiting for wait first. Wait fast. Waiting first. Now please.
Sudan, good evening.
Oh, welcome. How you doing?
I'm tired.
Good. Sorry. Some days are like that. We too. Me too. Tired. Me too. Tired. Pass. But so I sit down like this now. I'm not tired again. But for office, I tired. Hey God. So let's kick off our training right now. Let's kick it off. Training again. Mr. Obi joining late. You're welcome, Mr. Obi. You're welcome. Okay, so far so good. Um, we stopped at gone for a little lists. So we started the list data type. I told us Python has what just a little recap of Shimidori. Okay. A little recap of what we did the last time. Just a little recap of what we did the last time. So it started with, if I'm not mistaken, we did in operator and in operator and operator in Python. We did again. Okay, remove white space. We've done that. Concatenate. So I thought it was concatenate. It's used to combine two or more strings. So we use the plus sign to combine two or more strings. So we did with variables and inputs, which is this. The slicing. So I said you can return a range of characters by using the slice index. You can return a range of characters by using the slice index. Where's my okay, 1 minute. So this is the syntax for slicing. Then start, stop. The first character has index 0. So I'm familiar with it that Python starts with what? 0 index. So we did an example printing programming. Then we now move 4 built-in data types in Python, which we started with lists. So we'll complete the list today, then start with tuple. So let's see how far we can achieve this week. So lists, Python lists. So list is a built-in Python data type used to store multiple items in a single value. So we can use list to store multiple items in a single value. And lists are created using square brackets. Then also have the list items are ordered, changeable, and allows duplicates. List items are indexed. The first item has index 0. The second item has index 1, which we look at the example. This is an example of a list with number. Then this is an example of a list with string. Then this is another example of a list with mixed data types. So move on to creating a list of names, which is this. Then I also showed us that another way you can create a list using list constructor, which is this. So you can also use list constructor to create a list. So we have names, then we have types. So if you want to confirm the inbuilt type you're using for a particular data type, you can use the types function. So we did list length, we did duplicate, showing that list actually takes in duplicates. So this is an example of it. We're having two John. So then access list items. List items are indexed. You can access them by referring to the index number. So move to how to return the first name using index 0. Then return the fourth name using index 1. I told us that the index starts with what? With 0. So let's access from the end, like negative indexing. So -1, started from -1. Want to get the last item, use -1. So here we'll move on to print tag to the last item. So this from the negative index. So change list item, we did change this item, change a single item by index. Then we did change multiple items with slicing, for example, Daniela and Victor. So you're able to change Daniela and Victor. Insert items. So this is how you insert an item using the index. I'm using the insert then the position. So you can use the insert and then give it the position where you want it to be insert. So next we have add list item. To add an item to the end of the list, use append. So append function is basically to add an item to the end of a list. So just take note of that. That is append. If you're making use of append, it means that you're trying to add an item to the end of that list. That is the work of append. So that is where we are. Append method. So
Mr.
far,
sorry
yes,
to cut you short. Please, can you check? I've sent it to you.
Okay. Did you run that import? Did you run the import random?
Report. Oh, am I supposed to run that one?
Yes, no, I said like you need to run it first before you run the other one. That's why I telling that the random is not defined.
Oh, okay.
So we've done with adding list item. Then let's move on to extend.
Okay, I just did, but it didn't bring out any random number. But it's fine.
I'll check it for you. But that was the error you have. That was
Okay.
your error. So where is this list? Where you modify? So let's start with extend lists. Let's start with this extend list. Extend list. So what does it mean when you apply the extend list? To apply the extend list is just an example of like you're having two type of lists. For example, let's say we have A1. Let's say you have A1. Then this A1 consists of Daniel. Then you have Samuel. You have Solomon. You have Messi. So let's say this is A1. Let's say we have B1. B1 goes like this. Our blessing. Our person. Priests. Joe. So look at this now. If you have to extend this list, you make use of what? Make use of extend method. So let's see how we can apply this extend method. It's very simple. Extend method is very simple. So I'm going to append the second one, which is the B1. I'm going to append the B1 into A1. So I'm going to add the B1 to A1. So how do you do that? So A1 dot extend, then open bracket, then B1. So you can see that, then print. So what are we printing? Who can tell us what we are printing? Who can tell us what we are printing? I'm waiting.
Print A1.
A1.
I'm putting A1.
So you can see that. That is how you extend a list in Python.
So can you use it to join the four tables
Huh?
together? Can you use it to join 3 or more tables together?
Yes, you can append 3 or more tables together.
Okay. Is it append or extend?
I mean, extend.
Okay. So sorry. Okay. Okay, there's actually a difference.
So this process also is, like I said, is to append element from one list to another list. That is just it. So it's used to append elements from one list to another list.
Append or extend?
The function is extend. The extend function is used to append. You know when you say append,
Okay.
you get. You're
Okay.
adding it to the end, yes. That is the definition. It is used to append elements from one list to another list. So you can say from the current list to the other list. So next we'll look at remove lists. Remove list item. Remove list item. So to remove an item, to remove a specified item, we use what? Remove method. Use remove method.
Mr. Dan,
Yes, sir.
please help us record.
I'm doing that.
Okay, thanks.
Use remove method. Make use of what? Remove method. So to remove item from the list, use of remove method. So instead of me stressing myself, let's use this. Let's use an example. Remove Samuel from the list. Who can try this using the formula? Remove Samuel from the list. Say use remove method. Anyone want to?
A1. So we'll do A1 dot remove B1.
Dot remove
Are we wait, we are removing Samuel. So
Samuel.
we'll do square bracket 1.
Not square bracket. I'm using remove.
Okay.
Call out the Samuel.
We'll call out the name. Okay. I thought we'll index it.
No.
Okay.
So if you call it out, then you can.
Is there a way we index it?
Yeah, you can use index to. Can use index to.
One.
That is pop. If you're using pop.
Oh,
That's
okay. Okay.
I'm talking about remove. I'm teaching remove. So
Okay.
when we get there, I'll explain how.
I don't the best.
So let's print A1. So Samuel is out. Done? So take note of this, add these comments to it. To your WhatsApp.